Betsy Malloy Photography. These collections of things to do in California can help you indulge your personal interest. Take a browse through the links below to find something that appeals to your sense of play. California and the Old West, Western film locations and Old West sites that you will love. Think stagecoaches and gunfights. Factory tours, get into the inner workings of how things are built, cooked, brewed and created. Frank Lloyd Wright in California. 3 of the famous architect's most important works are in California, but you'll find plenty more of them to see. I should know. I visited and photographed every single one of them. Gardens and flowers, places stop and smell the roses, as they say. Ghost tours and haunted places. California is full of ghost tours and other paranormal-focused activities that may be just for you. Herons and Egrets. It's a common sight around California's wetlands. Tall, long-legged, long-necked birds waiting in the shallows, looking for fish. Here's where to see them. History lovers' top sites. These places will help you discover the history that has made California what it is today. Marilyn Monroe in California. Find Marilyn Monroe's star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Route 66 in California. The iconic cross-country highway called Route 66 stretched toward the sea when it reached California. It passed through the Mojave Desert, over the mountains and ended at the Pacific Ocean when it reached Santa Monica. Scenic spots. One of the joys of visiting California is all the natural beauty. Here's where to find it. Starstruck California, film and movie sites. If you are starstruck, try the guide to San Francisco's top film sites or browse the most familiar film and movie sites in LA. The San Andreas Fault. The San Andreas Fault begins near the Salton Sea, runs north along the San Bernardino Mountains, crosses Cajon Pass and then along the San Gabriel Mountains east of Los Angeles. Here's how to follow every single mile of it from end to end. Wildflowers. When and where. California's wildflower blooms can be spectacular and fleeting, but you'll know where to find them when you use this guide.